Have you ever wondered what makes Italian food so irresistible? Is it the rich flavors, the simple yet bold ingredients, or perhaps the centuries-old traditions behind each dish? Well, get ready, because in today's video, we're taking you on a delicious journey through Italy's 10 must-try dishes that every food lover needs to experience at least once. Welcome to Eurotrip Hacks, your ultimate guide to travel and food experiences across Europe. Ready to discover the flavors of Italy? Let's dive right in. Number 1. Bologna, tagliatelle al ragù. We're kicking off in Bologna, the culinary heart of Italy, where tagliatelle al ragù reigns supreme. Forget about spaghetti bolognese. This is the real deal. Imagine wide, flat tagliatelle pasta perfectly paired with a slow-simmered ragu made from beef, pork, tomatoes, and a splash of red wine. This dish is all about patience, as the sauce is cooked for hours to fully develop its rich and savory flavors. The ragu is deeply flavorful, and every bite brings you closer to the heart of Bologna's rich culinary heritage. It's no surprise that this dish is celebrated all over the world. Number 2. Veneto, Tiramisu. And now, let's sweeten things up. Heading to Veneto, we arrive at one of Italy's most iconic desserts, tiramisu. You might have had it at home, but trust me, there's nothing like enjoying a freshly made tiramisu in Italy. Tiramisu, which translates to pick me up, is the ultimate indulgence. Layers of espresso-soaked ladyfingers are combined with rich mascarpone cream and a dusting of cocoa powder. The bitterness of the coffee perfectly balances the sweetness of the cream, creating a dessert that's both light and indulgent at the same time. The textures are just as divine, soft ladyfingers that melt in your mouth, contrasted with the velvety mascarpone. It's not just a dessert, it's an experience. Whether you enjoy it after a meal in Venice or make it at home with friends, tiramisu has a way of lifting your spirits and satisfying your sweet cravings. Fun fact: this dessert was only created in the 1960s, but it's already become a staple in Italian cuisine, loved by people around the world. Number 3. Lombardy Polenta. Next, let's travel north to the Lombardy region for a dish that has been around for centuries, polenta. This is one of the ultimate comfort foods in northern Italy. Made from slow-cooked cornmeal, polenta is the perfect base for a variety of toppings. You can have it creamy, grilled, or even fried, and it pairs beautifully with hearty dishes like sausages, stews, or roasted meats. Its simple ingredients, just cornmeal, water, and salt, create something surprisingly versatile. On cold days in the Italian Alps, locals enjoy a hot, creamy bowl of polenta as a warm, filling dish. On warmer days, the grilled version offers a crispy, golden exterior with a soft interior. Whether you're exploring a mountain village or dining in a city like Milan, polenta is a dish that brings warmth and comfort to the table. Number 4. Central Italy, Porchetta. Now, let's head to Central Italy, where porchetta is one of the most beloved dishes. This slow-roasted pork is packed with aromatic herbs like rosemary, garlic, and fennel, creating a deeply savory flavor that penetrates every bite. Porchetta is traditionally prepared by deboning the pig, stuffing it with herbs and spices, and then roasting it until the skin is crispy and the meat is tender and juicy. It's often served as street food, but it's also the star of many family feasts. Whether you enjoy it in a sandwich or as the main course, porchetta's rich flavors will leave a lasting impression. Before we continue, make sure to visit our website, eurotriphacks.com, for all your travel needs. Whether you're looking for the best hotels, flights, or must-have travel essentials like bags and organizers, we've got you covered. So check it out for more tips on how to plan your perfect European adventure. Number 5. Florence Gelato. After that savory delight, let's cool things down with a dessert that has become famous worldwide, gelato. Italy's answer to ice cream, gelato is richer, denser, and more flavorful than its American counterpart. The difference lies in the way it's made. Gelato has less air whipped into it and is served at a slightly warmer temperature, which makes it smoother and creamier. Florence is often considered the birthplace of gelato, and there's no better place to indulge in this frozen delight. Whether you opt for traditional flavors like pistachio and chocolate, or more adventurous options like fig, lavender, or even olive oil, gelato in Florence is an experience you don't want to miss. Walking through the city with a cone in hand, you'll taste the care and artistry that goes into every scoop. Number 6. Sicily Canoli. Now, let's fly south to the island of Sicily, where the iconic cannoli awaits. Cannoli are crispy, fried pastry tubes filled with a sweet, creamy ricotta filling. Often topped with chocolate chips, candied fruit, or crushed pistachios, cannoli offer a perfect balance between crunchy and creamy. This dessert is a celebration of contrasts. The crispy shell and the smooth filling come together in every bite for a symphony of textures. Cannoli are a staple of Sicilian celebrations, enjoyed at festivals, weddings, and family gatherings. One of the best places to enjoy cannoli is in the bustling markets of Palermo, where they're filled fresh just before serving. Trust me, a bite of authentic Sicilian cannoli is an experience you won't forget. Number 7. Lagura Fuka. Heading back to northern Italy, we land in Liguria, the home of focaccia. This simple yet flavorful flatbread is a staple in the region, especially in the coastal city of Genoa. Made from just a few ingredients, flour, olive oil, sea salt, and sometimes rosemary, focaccia is proof that simple can be spectacular. The dough is light and airy with a slightly crispy crust that's perfect for soaking up olive oil or sauces. You can enjoy focaccia as a snack, paired with cheese and cured meats, or as a sandwich base. If you're feeling adventurous, try focaccia di Recco, a special variety filled with fresh, melty cheese. Whether you grab a slice at a bakery or enjoy it as part of a meal, focaccia is the ultimate Ligurian comfort food. Number 8. Parma Prosciutto di Parma. In the Emilia-Romagna region, we find one of Italy's most prized delicacies, prosciutto di Parma. This dry-cured ham is a true labor of love, aged for at least 12 months to develop its delicate flavor and melt-in-your-mouth texture. Each slice is paper-thin, allowing you to fully appreciate the sweet and slightly nutty taste. Pair it with fresh melon or figs for a sweet and savory combination that's simply divine. Prosciutto di Parma is not just ham, it's a symbol of Italian craftsmanship and dedication to quality. When in Parma, make sure to visit a local prosciutto producer to see how this culinary masterpiece is made. Number 9. Naples Sfogliatella. Now, we head to Naples for one of the most beautiful pastries you'll ever see, sfogliatella. These shell-shaped pastries are made from layers of crispy dough, filled with a sweet ricotta mixture that's often flavored with citrus peel or cinnamon. There are two main types, Regia, which is light and flaky, and Frolla, which has a smooth short crust exterior. Each variety offers a unique texture and flavor, making sfogliatella a versatile and irresistible treat. Whether you enjoy it as a morning pastry with coffee or as a sweet treat in the afternoon, sfogliatella will transport you to the bustling streets of Naples with every bite. Number 10. Rome Cacio e Pepe. Finally, we end our journey in Rome with a dish that's deceptively simple but incredibly satisfying, cacio e pepe. Made with just 3 ingredients, pasta, pecorino romano cheese, and black pepper, this classic Roman dish is a masterclass in simplicity. The key is in the technique. The cheese and pasta water combine to create a creamy sauce that coats each strand of pasta, while the black pepper adds a spicy kick. It's proof that you don't need many ingredients to create something delicious, as long as you use the right ones. Cacio e pepe is a dish that's beloved by locals and tourists alike, and it's the perfect way to end our Italian food journey. And there you have it, 10 more dishes that make Italy a food lover's paradise. From hearty pastas to sweet pastries, each region of Italy offers its own unique culinary treasures. So, which one are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to visit eurotriphacks.com for more travel tips and guides, and subscribe to our channel to join us on our next journey across Europe's best culinary destinations. Thanks for watching, and until next time, ciao!